We should work, not with anxiety but with expectancy, not by coercion but with conviction, not through compulsion but in a state of conscious recognition and receptivity. We do not have to drive or push, but we must accept and believe. We should then leave everything to the law, expecting a full and complete proof of our faith. One should treat any given proposition until he proves his principle, no matter how long it takes. We should treat until we get results, until there comes into our objective experience the actual outpouring of our subjective words. When working for someone else, speak the name of this person into mind, then proceed with the treatment. Should someone come to you with the question, "Am I too old to find my rightful place?" what are you as a practitioner to reply? You explain that there is no recognition of age in the truth, that everyone has his place in truth, that God does not withdraw himself from us at a certain age, for God is omnipresence. In this presence, every being is fully provided for at every age. A practitioner consciously removes the apparent obstruction and leaves the field open to a new influx of spirit. He resolves things into thoughts, dissolves the negative appearance in the condition by recognizing only perfection. The practitioner must know and must state that there are no obstacles in the pathway of truth. He must know that his word, being the activity of the truth, removes all obstructions from the pathway of his patient or the one for whom he is working. If the obstruction is the result of a hangover of belief from past years, the practitioner must know that no past mistake can hinder or obstruct the flow of divine intelligence through God's idea, which is perfect man, manifesting the attributes of God in freedom, happiness, activity, and power. The patient should try to be receptive, not to the will of the practitioner, but to the purpose of the universe. That is, the patient should expect results and should be willing to give up anything and everything that would hinder the demonstration. Perfect belief is the beginning and the end of all good mental work. The mental attitude of the practitioner is one of denial toward every false condition that opposes the principle of life as one of absolute perfection. God's world is perfect, and this is the principle we have to demonstrate. Spiritual things must be spiritually discerned, and when we are ready and willing spiritually to discern, we shall find a ready response from the invisible into the visible. Let us do our work conscientiously and thoroughly and leave the results to that law which is perfect. A new light is coming into the world. We are on the borderland of a new experience. The veil between spirit and matter is very thin. The invisible passes into visibility through our faith in it. A new science, a new religion, and a new philosophy are rapidly being developed. This is in line with the evolution of the Great Presence, and nothing can hinder its progress. It is useless, as well as foolish, to make any attempts to cover this principle or to hold it as a vested right of any religion, sect, or order. The truth will out, the spirit will make itself known. Happy are we if we see these things which, from the foundation of the human race, have been longed for by all aspiring souls. True thought deals directly with first cause, and this science is the study of first cause, spirit, or the truth, that invisible essence, that ultimate stuff and intelligence from which everything comes, the power back of creation, the thing itself. Ernest Holmes, The Science of Mind, How to Use, Part 5, read by Rich Jarvis RScP of prayersradio.com.